Hello guys. Today we are going to show you how to take measurements for the lehenga choli. So please look carefully. First is lehenga length. So your lehenga length would be from the waist, from where you're gonna wear the lehenga till the bottom, and please note that you'll have to add inches more when you wear heels. So suppose you're wearing a 2-inch heel, so you'll need to add 2 inches more to the total length of the lehenga. So this is lehenga waist. You'll need to wear it, take it from the place where you're wearing your lehenga. So it should be taken all around. Same again, just below is your hip line. You have to take the hips over here. Now we are starting with the measurements for the blouse. So this is choli length. It will be from your collarbone till the length you need and how long do you need the choli. So suppose if you need the lehenga choli to be short, you will keep it around 13 or 14, and if you want it long and need to cover your belly, you will take it till below till 20 or 18 or 19 as per your preference. Now we are taking the shoulder. So your shoulder will be from your one end of the shoulder to another.
Cross back.
Now this is the cross back. So again same way, just a little below from the shoulder. This is the cross back. Now this is the upper chest. Again you have to take it all around and just below your underarms.
Chest.
The same way, a little below is the chest. Again you have to take it all around.
Under bust.
Now this we are taking is the under bust, the same way, just below the chest.
चोली की लेंथ जितनी रहेगी, जैसे 16 है तो वहाँ पे वेस्ट है।
Now we are taking is the choli waist. So choli waist will be taken from where you have ended your choli length. So suppose if you've ended your length at 14 or 16 inches, wherever the choli ends, you will take the choli waist from there.
Cross front.
Now this is the cross front. The same way as you've taken the chest, just a bit above comes your cross front from one underarm till another.
Neckline.
Now this is the front neckline, which would be taken from your collarbone till the midriff.
Back.
And the same way you have to take it your back neckline from the collarbone to depending upon the deep you need. So suppose if you need a higher neck, it would be somewhere around 6 to 7 inches, and whereas if you need something deep, it would be nearly around 10 to 11 inches depending on your preferences. Sleeves would be taken from where your shoulder ends till the below, depending upon how do you need. So if you need a cap sleeves, it would be nearly around 4 to 4.5 inches. If you need something above the elbow, it would be around 10 inches, and if you need full sleeves, it would be nearly around 20 to 21 inches.
Elbow चाहिए तो ऐसा.
So if you're taking an elbow sleeves, just keep your arm in a right angle and measure till your elbow. And if you're taking a full sleeves, just take it from your shoulder till your wrist.
Shaft is loose.
arm.
Now over here we are measuring our bicep, so it's a standard size, just make it around your bicep.
Elbow.
Now this is the elbow measurements.
Wrist.
And the same way you have to take the wrist.
Armhole.
Now here is the armhole, so you have to take it all around from your underarm till the back.
हो गया.
So yeah, over here we are done with the measurement for the lehenga choli, and comes along with your measurement form which we'll share you on WhatsApp. Yeah.